Welcome to II Polo Farm in Aiken, South Carolina at 4267 Wagener Road, the heart of Aiken equestrian activity. I'm Deirdre Stoker-Viancourt, Realtor with Maybon Real Estate in downtown Aiken. Today I want to give you the highlights of this remarkable new listing. It is approximately 86 acres. It was originally conceived and operated as a polo farm, but it would suit eventing. It would also suit anybody in the driving community. It would be a great breeding operation because of all the lovely pastures and the quality of the grass. There are numerous turnouts. There are 4 very large grass pastures. One of the nice features of these pastures and this property is there's an extraordinary number of shade trees. There's some beautiful, beautiful live oaks throughout the property. Behind me is a regulation polo field, which in its day was one of the favored polo fields in Aiken. There's also a stick and ball field, which has uses for everything as well as polo practice fields. It's a great area, all in grass, for a jump field. There are numerous stalls. There's an 8-stall separate shed row. There is a 12-stall also behind me. The 12-stall has 2 independent living apartments, both approximately 12 by 24 feet in area, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. There is a double wide sitting just behind the last side of the paddocks. That double wide accommodates staff, grooms, anybody that is working on this farm. Not only is this farm polo appropriate, but it has been leased for a number of years in the wintertime by a very well-known upper-level eventer who comes here to participate in the winter competition season. She loves coming here because it's so well set up and it's right in the heart of the eventing community. It's literally just down the road from Full Gallop, from the Vista now, which is one of our newest training facilities. You really couldn't be in a more central location at II Polo. Of course, it is very close to downtown Aiken, one of the most remarkable downtown areas in the equestrian world. Lots of restaurants and boutiques, and the sporting capital of the Southeast. I think you'll enjoy your entire experience coming to Aiken, South Carolina. As we end our visit to II Polo today, I'd just like to one more time emphasize that this is truly a multidisciplinary facility. It's not just for polo. It would suit an eventer, it would suit a hunter-jumper, a breeding operation. It would be wonderful because of the terrain in the back of the property for the driving community. Please give me the opportunity to help you see this farm. I'd love to show it to you in person. Thank you very much. I look forward to meeting you.